Hello guys, you may have experienced a kind of a condition in which whole body will be at rest, but your mind, your head will be like it is in motion. It's like you'll feel like your mind is moving around. It's rounding. So this condition we call it as dizziness, or in scientific word we call it as vertigo. So today in this video we are going to learn about vertigo. So hi, my name is Atama and welcome back to my channel. So let's start this video. So guys, what is vertigo? As in the beginning of the video I have said that vertigo is a kind of a condition in which your whole body will be at rest but the mind will be at motion. So this condition we call it as vertigo or dizziness. So before understanding more about vertigo, first further we need to understand something about body balance. What are the organs that are involved in the body balance and how? So basically, eyes, ear and muscle coordination and joints play an important role in this body balance. So eyes, so whatever we are seeing from our eyes, it sends some signals to the brain, and in the brain it forms like a visual like image. It will not form an image, but in the brain will form like a visual like it will form, and because of that we are able to see. And next thing is because of muscle coordination and joints. Yes, we are able to do all kinds of physical activities and physical exercises because of this muscle and joint. Because whatever we are moving and whatever we are playing and doing any physical activities, from our muscles and joint it sends a signal to the brain, and then afterwards the brain responds, and then afterwards we are able to do this physical activities. And next is because of ear. Yes, ear play an important role in this body balance. Apart from hearing, ear also play an important role in body balance. Basically, ear is divided into three parts, that is known as outer ear, middle ear and inner ear. And in this inner ear there is a kind of a snail-like structure. Okay, snail-like structure that is known as the semicircular canal. In this semicircular canal, one type of fluid flows in this canal that is known as endolymph. Okay, so this endolymph, as the endolymph is continuously flowing in this semicircular canal, it converts it into electrical impulses and reaches to the brain. So for this you can take a better example of how we produce energy from dam. Yes, you can consider the dam as this semicircular canal and this water as the endolymph. So as the water is continuously flowing in the dam, it moves the turbine, and as the turbine is continuously moving, it converts this into energy, and then afterwards we are able to use it. So the same thing is happening even in our ear in the semicircular canal. And next thing is that even in this ear we have two important parts that are known as utricle and sacculi. So these two parts are very important because these two parts help us to do all the physical activities in the presence of gravity. Yes, we all the human beings and everybody is living under the pressure of gravity. Because of the force of gravity we cannot able to stand also, and for that we can get more muscle pain and joint pain. So to avoid this, there's two parts, that is utricle and sacculi, which help us to maintain the body balance and can able to do all kinds of physical activity against the gravity. So this was some information about body balance. So now let's again come back to our topic, that is vertigo or dizziness. So basically this vertigo is divided into two types, that is known as peripheral vertigo and central vertigo. So this peripheral vertigo is caused because of some infectious diseases. Some kinds of diseases from this peripheral vertigo are, that is benign proximal positional vertigo, or in short form we say it as BPPV, and second type is Mirani disease. So let's see what are they. So first is benign proximal positional vertigo. So this type of disease happens when there is excess production of otoliths. And now what are otoliths? Otoliths are some kinds of calcium particles which are found in this endolimb, and this endolimb are found in the semicircular canal. So because of excess production of otoliths, which are calcium particles, these can lead to the disturbance of the electrical impulses reaching to the brain and can cause peripheral vertigo, or you can say like it is temporary vertigo. And second thing is Mirani disease. Mirani disease is caused because of excess flow and excess production of this endolimb, and because of the disturbance, because of the more production of endolimb, it can lead to disturbance of electrical impulses reaching to the brain and can cause this peripheral vertigo. And basically this peripheral vertigo gets treated on its own if you take proper rest. So this peripheral vertigo gets treated within some days or within 1 to 2 weeks. But if suppose this kind of vertigo doesn't get treated, then for that you must go to the doctor. Then after the doctor can do some kind of test like related to the eyes and ear and some kind of nervous test. Okay, then afterwards with that doctor can give some kinds of medications. So this was about peripheral vertigo. And next is central vertigo. Central vertigo is caused because of some kinds of problem related to the brain and the nervous system. Okay, so these problems related to brain like brain tumor and brain stroke and even clotting in your nerve cell of the brain. Okay, so this can lead to permanent dizziness or vertigo. So for this, doctor will do some kinds of tests like MRI scan, and after finding that what is the problem in the brain, then doctor can do some surgery to remove the brain tumor or the blood clot in the brain. And with that, doctor can give some kind of medication which can help you better. So this was about some information about vertigo. So I hope you like this video. You can like, share and subscribe. You can comment also in the comment box. So thank you. Bye.